So with it being Memorial Day weekend, I just want to say happy Memorial Day to everybody watching. Hope you're having a safe and happy holiday and enjoying the weekend and remembering those who gave their lives for our country. All right, so I got a new product in the garage here, the AmericanSharpener.com. So I just wanted to kind of show how it's put together. It wasn't very hard to put together. Just took a little bit of time to kind of figure out how everything's oriented. But other than that, once it's together, it's really simple to get it going and to use. So let me just kind of walk you through what it looks like and how it works and the kind of time that it's going to save me personally when I have to sharpen mower blades. So in the past, when I would sharpen my blades, I would use a file because that's all I really had, and I would just file it away as best I could. And then I tried looking for other things to use, other products that are out on the market. This is just a drill bit sharpener, and this thing I thought was just kind of funky. You just set it you just set it on top of the blade and you spin your drill. But I found that maintaining the angle, even though it has a guard on it, is super inconsistent. And this thing was just jumping all over the blade, and it was rough. Then I tried using this really small angle grinder, and it worked fine, but there was nothing to really help me maintain the angle on the blade. And so I knew I wasn't really keeping a consistent angle, and it was hard to keep a sharp edge. And so I've been looking for something that would just be a lot easier. So that's where this product comes in. And what I like about this product is it helps you maintain the angle, and you get the consistent angle every time you make a pass with your grinder. And let me show you how it works. So you take a lawnmower blade and you put it in the vise and you clamp it up nice and snug. And on this particular model, you can actually change the angle that you want to set your grinder at, which is super nice. So if you're sharpening different blades for different machines and they require different angles, you can adjust those right here. And these are in 5-degree increments, from 15 degrees all the way to a 45-degree angle. Once you have your blade secure in the vise, you can take your angle grinder, and the product comes with different sized pins for you depending on the brand of your grinder to fit to the other side, the opposite side of the handle. So you just screw that in, and then there's a bolt on the arm here, and the bolt is hollow on the other side. So you can slide the pin on the grinder right in, and it holds it into place. But when you're ready to grind, you bring the blade up, and like I said, the arm on this device keeps your angle. So when you grind, you keep the same angle on every pass to grind your blade. So that's pretty much it. Right out of the box, you get the mounting bracket to attach it to your workbench or table, and it comes with these 2 screws that attach to the main piece right here. These bolts here, I had to provide myself. I had to drill pilot holes with a 3/8 inch bit and secure these to my table. And these bolts here are Allen bolts, and I think it was 7/32 wrench to fit these. And yeah, after that, all you need to do is attach the guide pin to the opposite side of your handle on your angle grinder, and then you can slide it in to this piece here on the arm, and you're in business. You're ready to go. You're ready to sharpen. So that's gonna go ahead and do it for me. Really excited to use this product. I think it's a genius idea. It makes it super easy to maintain a consistent edge while you're sharpening your blades. That's something I've struggled with over the last few years since I've been doing it myself. I'd rather not send blades out to be sharpened. I'd rather do it myself. And this is a great product for someone like me to just be able to stick my blade in here and use my own angle grinder. And I know that I'm gonna get a consistent edge every pass I make with this thing, and I'm gonna get a nice, solid, and sharp lawnmower blade every time I use this product. So I'm really looking forward to using it. I know some of my friends and family members are really looking forward to me using it, and I think it's going to be a great thing. It's going to last a long time. It's clearly a quality product, and I think in the long run it'll be worth the price. They are a little bit expensive, but you are paying for a quality product, and if you are sharpening your own blades, over time it's going to pay for itself. So I'll leave a link in the description below for this company. Go check them out. And as always, thank you for watching. Happy Memorial Day, and I'll see you in the next video.